Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to get SwingU on your Apple Watch, then you've come to the right video. By the way, welcome to Tutorials by David. So, it is actually pretty simple to get SwingU on your Apple app or Apple Watch. So, you want to go to your Apple Store in your iPhone, search for SwingU, which is the Golf GPS rangefinder. Tap to get button and then install the app. After that, you will automatically have it installed. So if you're wondering and you cannot search or install the SwingU on your Apple Watch, it might be because it must be the version 9.0 or later. So to set up your Apple Watch, you just want to go to the main page and tap General, tap Install, tap watch orientation and then select the wrist you will wear the watch on and the crown. Then back to general and then scroll down to enable handoff and turn on. And then wake screen to wake screen on race and then under on tap select wake for 70 seconds and then under on screen wake show last app. Check either within 1 hour or last use or the always button.